MC Rayne today with my daddy. What are we doing today?
Something came in the mail for you.
Today?
Bam!
So, we don't know what's inside, so we're gonna check. And we're gonna see what's inside. Science Kit!
Science Kit! Look at that.
So, what's this?
What's what? What does it say?
This is Mel Science. Oh, it's the VR headset.
Nice.
What's VR? Virtual reality, right?
Yes. It's the reality that you go virtually. So?
We got this huge box. You just took a box.
We're actually coming today in my living room. I got the science kit right here. So inside the kit, let's see, we got starter kit manual, you got your safety glasses.
And there's more.
You got plastic beaker.
Ready?
Let's see.
There's instructions.
You got tray.
This thing.
What?
These are cups.
Oh yeah. Oh.
These are mushroom cups.
Glass beaker. You gotta be careful with that. You don't drop that.
Yeah. These are
That's
plastic
inside.
cups. Plastic cups.
Plastic cups.
Funnels.
Funnel.
I'm not gonna ask what that is.
What, a funnel?
I'm not gonna ask. What's a funnel?
Funnel, something that goes inside here and then funnels through. Silly.
What's this?
That looks like a metal.
I think it's a metal tray.
Metal tray.
What's this?
That is, I think it's a phone holder. So you put your phone like right here.
Yeah. Oh, I found a mini coaster.
I think that might be. Oh, maybe for this.
Yeah.
Need it
What's
in.
this?
Those are plugs. I'm guessing for
Those. So, is that so? Yeah.
Yeah, right. And then you
Yeah, so, because you have to shake it because if you don't, then everything's gonna come out. You're gonna have to start all over again, and then yeah.
What are you doing?
I'll show you. Oh wait.
Ooh. You have 2 glasses.
Okay, so I wonder what's gonna be in here. Push.
Good.
Welcome to science.
Welcome to science.
Okay, so we got gloves.
Got gloves.
We need these. We got sodium, hydrogen, carbonate, baking soda. We got these measuring spoons. Sodium carbonate, food colorant, and 10 grams of
Citric acid?
this one. Citric acid. Solid fuel, and more sodium carbonate and more citric acid, just in case. This is liquid soap, people. Liquid soap.
You got 2
Instructions for
sets. You got 1 sugar snake. Foam eruption.
I got some
Yay.
foil.
Tin foil.
So many sticks with them.
So means I can't use them.
We can use these.
And that that goes to your phone.
So we use these to stir.
Oh yeah.
We use these to stir.
And today we are going to do the foam eruption.
Yeah.
So today we're going to do the foam eruption.
Secure your smartphone or tablet on the stand provided and launch Mel Chemistry app.
Nah. So let's see. So these bottles. Well, I guess once we open them. Oh no, that one is open already. Some of them you do actually need a safety pin.
It's not a safety pin.
Sorry.
What is that?
Paper clip.
What's a paper clip?
It's a clip that goes on paper.
No, that's not what it. That's not what a paper clip is. A paper clip is no. A paper clip is a clip that holds stuff. That holds like stacks of papers.
Sorry, that's what I said.
You just said that you just said it. You said it's something that clips paper. That's not what it means. So.
All right, so we got all the ingredients that we need. We don't need this.
I don't know how you open,
We don't need-
open this.
We don't need that.
How do you open this?
We don't need that. Oh, so we're gonna do the foam eruption.
So it is a little bit dangerous.
So safety first. So
First, that's
safety,
everything.
put on your protective gloves. Oh, I don't have mine. So we need 1 big spoon of the
So we gotta do it until it fills up. So
anthocyanin.
stop. That's perfect. That's perfect. No, that's perfect. It's okay. Right, now pour it in. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we gotta pour it in there. Pour it. It's purple.
Oh, it's purple.
Pour. Do it. All the way.
Yeah. Oh.
It's okay. So now,
Okay.
now I gotta stir it.
Yeah, stir.
So now we're gonna take this one. That's perfect. So now we
gotta
need
do
the
it in
citric.
order. It has to be in order now. Okay.
So-
citric acid.
So we need the whole bottle. We need the whole bottle.
Let's use the funnel.
Yeah, the funnel. Okay. So now
Now we gotta do
the.
sodium carbonate.
Go ahead. And then we're gonna mix it like that. It looks the same.
Do the circle.
I'm gonna need a bowl. So now we're gonna put this in here. We need liquid soap. So we're gonna pour the liquid soap in. All right, I need help with this because I don't want it to explode. Go ahead. Now I'll pour the mixture. I'm nervous. And that's it.
All right.
All right, so
So now let's see what that actually looks like on the inside.
okay, so
It's like Columbia.
this is gonna be the eruption part. So let's put this.
If you notice it, look, it's actually bubbling up right now.
It's in the bubble up. Okay. So we gotta quickly pour it in.
Wait, what does it say? Does it say that?
Pour the solution.
No, it looks like we gotta give it some time inside.
Look, it's rising up. Oh my god.
There we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh wow. That's amazing.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing.
Let's discard all this. I'm pretty excited about this little kit. What do you think of the kit?
Yes.
Would you recommend it?
I
Yeah.
would. Oh my god. This is so
I think this is a pretty cool kit. I think it's worth the money monthly. It's, I believe
How much
it's,
is it?
I think it was like 34 a month or 35 a month.
Okay, so you're telling me that more kits are gonna come to our house?
Yeah, so monthly, so for $17.50 a kit.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, but you're getting 2 kits a month. I think that's well worth it.
Yeah, it is worth it. So I'm actually very, very happy about this because I've always wanted to do chemistry. It's a very, very good start for me.
Yes. This is pretty cool considering that, you know, since you guys are home doing the remote learning, you know, and you guys don't have physical science classes now, and for the kids to do this at home with the parents, I think this is a really cool thing to do. I really like it. I think it's worth it. I think
I think it is worth it too.
families should get this for their kids. So I would say on a scale of 10,
Of 1 to 10?
yep, would you recommend?
An infinity.
Infinity amount of numbers. Okay, I will match that number by 10,000. The link will be below for this website, and no, I'm not a paid partner. We're not getting any money for this. This is something that is very cool to do at home. And it's actually still going. As always, click like and subscribe to his channel to see part 2 of our science kit that we got. Peace!
Peace! Everyone, it's Rayne from Fun Times with Rayne, and today with my daddy.
Yay!
And today, what are we going to do today?